Raju. Friends, Raju is confused, but he had just fixed one last week. Friends, there are many types of kettle available in the market, but they all function in the similar pattern.
Let us understand the working of a kettle through this circuit diagram. When the power switch is on, the supply from the switch flows to the heating element. The supply to the heating element is cut off when the prescribed temperature rating is reached.
Let us keep our tools and equipment ready for troubleshooting and fixing. Neon tester, screwdriver, some wiring cables, wire stripper, plier, multimeter, test lamp. Friends, never forget your personal protective equipments like what are these? Gloves and your rubber shoes, even while troubleshooting and repairing of equipments. Remember, gloves and your shoes. So Raju, you now know what parts can go wrong in an electric kettle.
The input supply points that includes the power on switch, plug and the cord. Then next is the auto cutoff switch and then the heating element. Come join me and Raju on the troubleshooting task.